In this only prompt review, I'm going to be sharing with you these ready-made prompts tool to help you increase your productivity. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel. In this video, we're going to be doing a review of OnlyPrompts that is available now on AppSumo at a lifetime deal. This AI prompt generator will help you craft prompts for your business or your personal needs to help you get more done faster. For a lot of us, we really don't have all of the time to come up with AI prompts. So this tool and tutorial will help us to create prompts, and also with an AI library that has over 37,000 prompts that we can use. It doesn't matter your industry, you should be able to find a prompt that will help you in your business. Now this is available at this present time on AppSumo. As you guys can see, you can actually go over to AppSumo. It has about 124 reviews, all with about a 5 taco. So this was a very popular tool, okay? It will help you to automate over 37,000 tasks. Now, one of the reasons why I picked up this particular product is because one of the tools that I use only allows me to use ChatGPT 4, and I wanted to branch out and start looking at some of the other tools like Gemini and Claude and some of those other tools. Now, this is available at this particular time under the AppSumo Select opportunity, so this is pretty good. This is one of these tools that AppSumo is really sort of kind of invested in as far as that's concerned. Now you can go ahead and read through this entire thing, but I'm going to be definitely going in and showing you sort of a walk around. And if you are a YouTuber, you're somebody who's looking to get a lot more done productivity wise. I know a lot of times when you see these sort of products, you don't really know, are these products going to, help you with your YouTube workflow and some of the stuff that you're doing with your YouTube channel. And so in this particular video, I wanted to sort of walk you guys through that and how I feel like I can help you with that. Now, if you are unfamiliar with AI prompts, I did an entire class on AI prompts for YouTube. It was definitely under another product, but you can use some of the lessons and stuff that I taught in that tutorial. That's available for our community members, and you'll find a link down in the description below that'll give you some more information about our community and how you can get that entire tutorial for free, helping you to work AI prompts for your YouTube channel. So all of that information will be down below. All right, so let me go ahead and just give you a little bit of understanding of this. If you go over to this particular company, you will see right now that they're getting about 2.4 million monthly visits on their website. So the average person is staying on their website, it says, almost for like 5 minutes. So that's pretty good. That means people are really inquisitive about learning how to do prompting and getting better with AI prompts, which that means that this company is probably going to do really well if they position themselves in the marketplace the right way, right? So that's kind of the thought process as it relates to that. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and talk a little bit about some plans and some features here, and let's focus in on that. Number one, plan number one, it comes in at about $59, guys. You're going to get lifetime access to this tool no matter what tier you are on. Now, tier plan 1, you're going to get 3,000 monthly AI credits, and I will be explaining to you the entire AI credit situation, so just hang on. You're going to also receive all task access, multi-AI models that includes ChatGPT, Claude 3, Gemini, as well as Dalle or Dalle-E. Okay, so you're going to get that as well. Historical data saved for 3 months, and your desired task also included. Now, with plan number 2, you're going to get for $118, you're going to get 10,000 monthly credits. You're going to get all access to the things that are mentioned in plan number 1. And for plan number 3, it comes in at $177. It's unlimited, so you can use it as much as you want, and you're going to be able to get all of those other things that are mentioned, okay? All right, now, you're going to get a 60 money back guarantee with this as well. And so you guys will be able to use this, and this should be a full robust tool for you to use. Okay. Now I want to go ahead and take you guys inside of the software, so that way you can see the inside of the software, and we can sort of give you a complete rundown of the OnlyPrompts tool, so that you can understand this tool a little bit better, and you'll have a greater understanding of the tool. Okay, everybody, now when you come into the OnlyPrompts tool, what you will notice on your prompt library, it will tell you that they have about 37,000 prompts. From what I'm understanding, they're adding prompts to this on a consistent basis, okay? You can come in here and take a look at this. Just to give you a rundown, it has a very clear interface. If you have questions, you can immediately go here and it's going to give you some where to start with OnlyPrompts, the credits explained, as well as how to use the prompt playground. Now, I do want to tell you how the credits are in here. So let's take a moment and do that. I'm just going to break this down very quick and easy for you. It just depends on the model that you're using. So if you're using ChatGPT 4.1 mini, it only takes 3 credits, and those are typically for simple tasks and little things that aren't as complex. When you're using ChatGPT 4.1, it's going to take 15 credits, because normally that's for a little bit more of a complex task. That means you're going to give it some multiple things to do, and you really care about the output. Okay, so just understand this with all of these tools. It's going to depend upon what you're asking ChatGPT or one of the programs to perform for you to determine how many credits it's going to use. Okay, so Claude, you're going to be using the basic. Claude is 1 credit. As you can see, Claude 3.5 is 3. Claude 3 Sonnet is 10 credits. So the better the output, or the more integral of information you're going to need to provide to the AI system, the more credits you are going to have to use. Okay, so you've got Gemini here with 1 credit. That's the basic. Then Gemini 1.4 is 10 credits. So as that should give you guys a basic understanding. Now, let me just go down here. Some of these I've never heard of. This one actually used 20 credits, and I think this one's on a beta. I'm not really yeah, it's on a beta. So that's one of the reasons why it's using so many credits. And you'll look at the Dalle E3, it uses up 30 credits. So when you use that, you're understanding you're using a lot of credits as far as that's concerned. So that's how the credits are disseminated, and that's how that works. Okay, now if you're somebody who is trying to get better with YouTube productivity, and most of the people that come on my channel, you're definitely trying to learn some more about workflow and how to, increase your workflow, etc. So my purpose of doing this video, and for us to go over this, is to sort of help you understand YouTube and get into the YouTube system a little bit better. Okay, but before I get there, let me just tell you, they have the image generator here. This is new. So when you click on image generator, this is the screen that you're going to see. They do have a prompt library. So when you click on prompt library, it will give you some options as far as that's concerned. Okay, so right now they have 159 prompts. You can actually come over here and search, or you can ask, and once you start searching it, you can determine what kind of rendering you want of the photo, whether you want a two-dimensional, 2D, CGI, photography, pixel art, and it'll give you those options as well. Okay, so you put in the information as far as what your subject matter is and your theme. Once you start doing some of that other stuff, you can do cyberpunk, space, cute, psychedelic, fantasy, sci-fi, synthwave, and horror. So you have all sorts of options as far as that's concerned. So if you've been interested in sort of learning how to do more photography for your outputs and for your blogs and so forth, you can actually come in here and sort of play around with the system and sort of make the system work to your needs. Now understand, what I advise everybody to do, especially when you get a new piece of software, is to come inside of this particular software, play around with the software, and learn the software. Spend like a whole day sitting down with the software inside of the prompt library, buy some extra credits or something, and just play around with it, so that way you can, learn the system, because that's exactly what you want to do. That's what I'm going to be doing even more of, and so I suggest that you do the same. That's how I sort of get around, and that's my learning curve. Okay, now you have a prompt optimizer here. This tool seems very interesting as well, you guys, because you can attach files here. I don't know the size of the files just yet that you're allowed to attach here. but you can do so. Now, if you look in the corner, this is how you determine which model you're going to use. And they're going to list out for you also on the side when you switch the models, how many credits you're going to be using in that particular model. So keep that in mind. So it's really self-explanatory. And so I sort of like that aspect of it. So that's pretty cool. So you guys can see that as well. Now, they also have some additional tools in here, guys. And I'm only telling you guys the things that I think you guys should really want to know and be a little bit more specific. You can use this tool to do Google search. You can use Wikipedia. You can use Bing, Google News. If you're sort of looking for financial data, you can do YouTube finance news. You can do stock data. You can even do YouTube search inside of here. Okay. And this is the prompt optimizer. Okay. So you can ask the AI system all sorts of things. You can do Google videos. You can even do Google shopping. Let's say you wanted to do a certain thing with a shopping list or something like that. You can actually use it to do that. And you can also use it for YouTube transcripts as well. And I'm thinking and suggesting they're probably going to ask you some other data as well. Now, you can use it for text to speech as well. Now, just keep in mind, you can change your model here and you can click on improve here if you're putting in a prompt and you want it to help you improve the prompt. So you have that data in there as well. Okay, now you're going to get your recent task here. This is going to list out all of the stuff that you want to do, your prompts as well. And I'm going to get to some YouTube stuff here in just a second, guys, so hang with me. Now you can actually use this account settings to come in here. Your email address will be listed here. It'll tell you what tier you're on. It'll tell you whether your account is active or non-active. Now, this is another thing that I like about these types of tools, because in order for a tool to stay around and in order for a tool to last, they need to have some sort of recurring revenue generation, right? And so one of the ways that they're able to have recurring revenue is you can actually update your billing information here and purchase additional credits. Okay, so you will be able to purchase additional credits if you run out of credits. Now, if you do the top tier on the AppSumo offer, the lifetime deal here, we go back here, you will see you get unlimited credits if you do it at plan number 3. Now, that's going to give you, which I think is awesome, that's going to give you guys the ability to use all of the models unlimited. I mean, you're literally going to be able to use all of those models in an unlimited fashion. Let's go back over here. You see here where you have all the credits and all the stuff that you have to do. Well, if you get an unlimited account, then pretty much the credit system sort of goes out of the window for you. So you're going to be able to use this as much as you want. Now, so that's the key to that. I mean, you got to think about that. So I'm definitely going to recommend you start off with a tier 2 or a tier 3 if you're somebody who is, constantly trying to upgrade and to get through your workday a little bit faster. Now, the way that this works, guys, is you can come over here and you can search departments. They have marketing, operations, purchasing, production. So you can go down this entire list, or you can search for a specific thing inside of the list of your department, and it should help you come up with something. Whether you're in the HR department or anything like that, you guys should be able to come in here and pull that information up. Now, for this particular video, I'm going to do YouTube. And I'm going to put YouTube content creator in here, and we're going to use this and we're going to hit apply. Okay. Now, if you are a YouTube content creator and you're trying to get better with your prompts and moving quicker, this is going to help you, because they're going to automatically have this in one centralized location for you. You can generate video topic ideas automatically. You can suggest relevant tags for your videos. You can transcribe audio to text seamlessly. You can translate your videos into multiple languages from here. Okay, guys. You can do automated intros and outros. You can create a personalized video recommendation. So you have all sorts of ideas that you can use this for. Okay. And let's go to page number 2. Page number 2, going to give you another list of things for YouTube that you can do. You can optimize your video titles and descriptions for your video. So you can come in here and do that as well. Now, if you're looking to do that, I'm going to go ahead and click on this just to give you an understanding of your workflow and how this could be. Now, understand, when you come up here, you can have this listed as a list, or you can do this as a card kind of side by side. This is to optimize the content. This is to engage, and this is to deal with the YouTube title. So you can put them side by side and run it side by side. Okay. So this says optimize the video titles and descriptions to boost visibility for your YouTube channel. Follow these steps. Okay, so you're going to put in your current title and your description. So your current description goes there. You're going to identify the video topic. You're going to put the video topic in there, your target audience as well as your keywords, and then it's going to craft out what you need. So you're going to put in the result, and it'll show you the result for it. And this is just an example here, but you have an optimized title, right? You have an optimized description, and you can determine the tone and the keywords that are used. Okay, so that's pretty neat as far as this tool is concerned. Now this look just puts the prompt on this side and the output on this side so that you can see it. So optimize YouTube content to engage your YouTube optimization. This is a separate prompt for that. If you want to do YouTube title and description, you come over here, and currently as a YouTube content creator, you're going to put in your video topic, who your target audience is, the main keywords that you have for the video, which is something standard that we all do. And then you're going to list, it says you can analyze competitive channels if you want for inspiration, and you can put that in there as well, and that will most certainly help you. Now you will see it's giving you a sample of GPT-4, so that's the sample that it's giving you, and so you get to make the determination on what you want to use as far as that's concerned. And how you change that, you come down here and you actually change the model that you want to use. So if you have a different model that you want to use, you do that. If you want to change the language, you can actually change the language from here as well. So you have some different options, guys, as far as what you can do for this particular tool. And from my understanding, you're going to be also able to save your prompts in here as well. Now you guys know I'm going to make some additional tutorials for this as well. Now I do have a class coming up this Wednesday on the 28th. We're going to be going over keyword research, and we're going to be doing a whole lot of things there. You guys definitely want to make sure that you hit the links down in the description, come over and register for that webinar, and we're going to definitely help you guys do a little bit better keyword research for your business, etc. Okay. All right. Now, if you're interested in the AI prompts class that we've already completed, please make sure that you look for the links down in the description. Now, for AppSumo, I'm going to definitely recommend that you guys go take a look at this, grab it now while it's at a lifetime deal. We don't know whether or not it's going to come back on the platform, so you definitely need to go ahead and grab it for yourself while you can. That's the most important part, because you don't want to lose out. Hit the links in the description. Full transparency, of course, you guys know it helps me to continue to make little videos like this. It doesn't increase your cost at all, and I get a little percentage for making videos and keeping you guys informed about some of the best products that are available on AppSumo at a lifetime deal.